Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation at the rate 80 word per minute. Okay, start. Sir, there are three factors connected with industrial relations. Firstly, sir, the management and officers should know the norms of industrial relations. I do not find any training program for training how to deal with the staff or how to deal with problems expeditiously. If they do not change their outlook, if they do not attend to the grievances in time, they will ultimately accumulate and create a grave crisis, and we shall again be falling in some trap, and strikes will become an annual feature, or there will be strikes many times para. Secondly, sir, there are large number of unions. Last time a meeting was called off. All the unions, there are craft-wise unions, station masters union, ticket collectors union, and so many others. And there is much scope for politicians and others to multiply unions because the occupations are 700 to 800. There are only two federations. The railways have not taken steps to eliminate multiplicity of unions. Unless this is done, there can be no concrete results. In order to make collective bargaining successful, I feel that the policy of industrial relations and industry-wise unions should extend to this. The scheduled castes and scheduled tribes want their separate union, and the tribal people also want their separate union in the railways. I feel, sir, that they must be completely banned. There should be large industrial unions which can deliver the goods and which alone can create an atmosphere of good relations between the railways and their employees. Para. Sir, the third thing I would like to suggest is that they must find out the bottlenecks, but there is no attempt. There is no wage policy. Today, the people belonging to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes are employed as contingent or casual labor in many places, and they are paid the wages which the collector in each district fixes. This contingent labor, consisting of 2 or 3 lakh people at different places, is paid 50% less than what regular employees are paid or what the All India pay scale is. They have been working for years and are getting different wages in different districts depending upon the minimum wage or the collector fixing the pay scales and wages in that state. Discrimination is very great. I would like the minister to look into the matter. The contingent labor should be paid at par with other railway employees. Stop. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए। थैंक यू।